Integrating Bill.com API Webhook is a straightforward process that enables you to receive real-time notifications when specific events occur within your Bill.com account. To get started, you need to have a Bill.com account and a basic understanding of web development concepts. First, you need to create a webhook endpoint, which is a URL that Bill.com will send event notifications to. This endpoint should be able to handle HTTP post requests and parse JSON data. You can use a server-side programming language like Python or Node.js to create the endpoint. Next, you need to register your webhook endpoint with Bill.com. To do this, log into your Bill.com account and navigate to the Developer tab. Click on Webhooks and then click on the Add Webhook button. Enter the URL of your webhook endpoint and select the events you want to receive notifications for, such as invoice created or payment applied. Once you have registered your webhook endpoint, Bill.com will start sending event notifications to your endpoint. These notifications will be in JSON format and will contain information about the event that triggered the notification. You can parse this JSON data and take action accordingly. For example, if you receive a notification that an invoice has been created, you can use the invoice ID to retrieve the invoice details from the Bill.com API and then perform some action, such as sending an email to the customer or updating your accounting records. Best practices for integrating Bill.com API Webhook include handling errors and exceptions properly, verifying the authenticity of the event notifications, and keeping your webhook endpoint secure. You should also make sure to test your webhook endpoint thoroughly to ensure it is working as expected. In conclusion, integrating Bill.com API Webhook is a simple process that can help you automate tasks and improve the efficiency of your accounting workflows. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using best practices, you can successfully integrate the Bill.com API Webhook into your application and start receiving real-time event notifications.